And to our primetime news follow-up now, the 14-year-old Irwin High School student implicated in the fatal stabbing of a 15-year-old Ranil Plummer was charged with murder on Wednesday. He was brought before the courts today. Commanding officer for the St. James Police Division, Superintendent Aaron Samuels, provided this update.
He was granted bail and is not to be residing in the parish of St. James. We continue to offer support to the Irwin High School, ramping up our patrols within the space and also our community safety and safe school activities. We are urging students within the parish of St. James to please find different ways to settle disputes.
Reports are that Ranil was outside the school gates of Irwin High School when he was approached by the student along with a group of boys. A knife was later used to stab him. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead.